Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today I am doing a quick video in response to being nominated for the Gratitude Awards. If you don't know what the Gratitude Awards are, it is a recognition program put together by Stephanie, who has a channel here on YouTube called NC Mountain Mama, and also Bonnie's Bargains. This awards recognition is the idea of Stephanie, and Bonnie is helping her to do it. I can never be in the spotlight alone. Dexter or Biscuit One always have to show up. I received a message on Instagram to let me know that I had been nominated for an award and asking me if I wanted to accept it in the category of makeup and skincare, which was very surprising to me that I had been nominated. We have no idea who nominated us, and I am just extremely grateful to my subscribers, those of you that keep coming back, that watch my videos, that get my jokes, that talk to me in the comments. Y'all really make a huge impact on me, and I am very grateful to all of you. And I am grateful to any of you who have nominated me for this. And even if none of you nominated me, I would still be very grateful to all of you. But I am blown away that I have been nominated for a Gratitude Award. Stephanie and Bonnie did a video on the 27th of August where they announced all of the nominees and the different categories that they were nominated for. I will have both of their channels and that video listed down below. Dexter just wants to cause problems. He's struggling with Pat McGrath. So I will link both of those ladies' channels down below and the video where they announced all of the nominees for the Gratitude Awards. You can watch that video and learn more about it. This is the first year that they are doing this. They are planning to do it again next year, and hopefully it will just continue to grow and more channels and subscribers will get involved, and there will be a lot more channels next year that are nominated. A lot of people didn't know that this was even happening. I kind of heard a little something about it, not a whole lot. Otherwise, I would have nominated quite a few people, channels and subscribers, because there is a category for subscribers, because without y'all, none of our channels would amount to a hill of beans. We wouldn't need to be here. We, as creators, are here for you. That's why we do what we do, is for you. It is my understanding that Stephanie and Bonnie will link all of the channels that were nominated so that any of you that wish to can go check those channels out and see if their content is something that you're interested in and subscribe to them. I would like to say an enormous thank you to Stephanie, NC Mountain Mama, and Bonnie from Bonnie's Bargains for doing this. This is incredibly thoughtful of you to do this for all of the channels here on YouTube. Anybody that is a creator here on YouTube spends an enormous amount of time on their channel. Doing a YouTube channel is a lot of work. It's a lot of time and effort, and it takes a lot of money sometimes to do things, especially when you're a makeup channel. I mean, I can't do a makeup video if I don't have makeup, right? So it's very thoughtful of you ladies to do this, and neither one of them are being nominated or maybe they were but they didn't accept. They are doing this out of the goodness of their hearts for all of us. The thing that impressed me the most was that they had a category for subscribers, and I think that that is just absolutely awesome. There are going to be trophies mailed out. There's a whole panel of people who are going around to all of our channels and watching our videos and voting and deciding who will win in each category, and then a trophy will be sent out. I just think that that is absolutely amazing. I am absolutely honored to be nominated and to be a part of this. They made us all certificates. The certificates were emailed out to us, and I am going to print that certificate and frame it and hang it up somewhere to remind me that I need to keep going for my fellow creators and also for all of my subscribers. And I have not had the opportunity yet to print that out. I have been so busy at work, and I know y'all get so tired of hearing me say that, but work right now is just crazy. After Labor Day, I'll be able to breathe. But I'm going to put the picture of that here so that you can see the certificate that they gave to me. The awards will be live on October the 15th. And if you are subscribed to Stephanie and Bonnie and turn on your notification, then you will get a notification when that video goes up so that you can see who won or if your favorite channel won one of the categories. So thank you once again, Stephanie and Bonnie, for doing this. Both of you ladies are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all of the subscribers who nominated their favorite channels, and congratulations to all the channels that were nominated. I know that all of you have worked very hard, and I wish you all the best of luck in winning the Gratitude Awards. That's all I have for today. Make sure you show the like button some love. Don't forget that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Pull your makeup out and play with it. Find something to be grateful for today, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, are you grateful for your mama? You should be grateful for your mama, because I don't give anybody the amazing beauty tips that I give you, boo-boo. Mama loves you.